up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I am back with another video. As you can see by the title, this is a review on an Amazon product from a company called Haptime. Thank you guys for tuning in and supporting on the videos that you have been tuning in, because you've been tuning in. I get to review products now that are not only hair and affordable, but these products can be used like any day at any time given. So thank you for that. FYI, I'm a little sick, so if I sound like this, it's because I'm sick, like I just said. So pay me no mind, but I'm getting these videos out to you guys because these are past due. So yeah, let's get into the video. So today I'll be reviewing a product from a company called Haptime, and this looks like, okay, let me put it closer. So you guys are probably wondering, what the hell is it? Well, you see this stand that this Apple Watch is on, or this phone is on? Well, it's a combined iWatch original charger and bracket, and it can be used for those types of things. I have the model i6, that's what it says, and then it has some numbers right here. I'll put the numbers closer so that you can see, but it's a lot of numbers, so I don't really want to read them all to you guys. I'm pretty sure that's not important. It says an i6 Apple Watch charging dock and a mobile phone holder. So while you're charging your Apple Watch, you can also put your iPhone in the holder port, and I am going to show you what the product looks like right now so you guys can see. This doesn't come with the charger, it just comes with the holder, and I don't have an Apple Watch to show you, but I definitely can show you the holder. This is what it looks like. I've used it already. It's very handy. I have a little girl and she watches YouTube, like the kids learning things on my phone, so this is a good stand because I'm tired of trying to put a book up behind my phone or something like that because it goes falling right down. But this is what it looks like. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like, and it has their logo right here, Haptime. You can't really see it, but you guys can't really see it, but yeah, it has their logo right here. And then this is where the charger, yes, this is where you stick the charger into, and the Apple Watch sits on top of it. So let's see if they have a picture. Okay, see how this charger is sitting in the hole? The Apple Watch sits right on top of it and it charges it. Now the wire goes between these. It has a hole right here, a strip, so that it's not in the way. And while you're doing that, it has a grip part right here that grips to your phone so that it's not sliding back and forth, and your phone sits right here and you're good to go. This is very handy for people who have a lot going on, like watches, iPhones, all that kind of stuff. It does vary on sizes, like any size phone can fit in there, which is a plus because my grandmother has a bigger phone than me, and I was like, sometimes we'll have to swap phones so she can watch cartoons on yours, and it's able to fit in here. I think this is a pretty cool product. This is what the back looks like. It's a grip thing so that when you set it on the table, it's not sliding or gliding anywhere. And it also says Apple Watch charging dock and mobile phone holder, so it tells you what it is on the bottom too. And yeah, this is pretty much the item. It's very affordable. You guys really need to check it out. Check out Haptime on Amazon. They have a lot more stuff on there. Summer is almost over because I was going to review the fan, but a portable fan, but they have fans, they have stuff to go for utensils in the kitchen. They have all kind of stuff, so you guys check them out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on products, like everyday products that you can use that come in handy besides hair, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.